Good morning. It's Tuesday, April 19th, and I've been wanting to do this kind of a video diary type thing for quite a while. My name's Gerald Baker. Um, I'm an owner-operator. I pull for BCB Transport out of Mansfield, Texas. I kind of want to do this because there's so many people out there that say these lease purchase programs don't work. Where I'm here to tell you, some of them do. I've been with BCB Transport now for almost 2 years. I started and I leased a truck, and I paid my truck off in 11 months. I've had nothing but good results. I'm still getting good loads. The fuel discount's okay. Yeah, I'm doing really good, and I've got the title to my truck. And not only that, my son has done the same thing, and he's got the title to his truck now, and he's been here just under 2 years. Yeah, so those of you that say that you can't make it with a lease purchase, I'm here to tell you you can. Now, I leased a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia, the Evolution. My son leased the same truck, except for his isn't the Evolution. His doesn't have all the fender skirts and all that stuff on it. I've been having a lot of trouble with the one box system. I keep getting these lights on the dashboard that tell me that low def quality, improper NOx conversion. There's just a lot of different issues that it could be. It says it's a 4364. I believe that's correct. Let me look here. It's let me look at the codes it's showing. Yeah, 4364 fail 18. And so I did whatever research I could on that, and I found out that if you well, the first thing I did was I replaced the DEF filter, thinking it says low DEF pressure. I was thinking, okay, well, maybe the DEF filter is clogged. So I replaced that with no luck. So then I was reading on one forum that said that it could be the wiring harness, that there could be a bared wire that's every once in a while making connection in there and causing it to throw that code. So I replaced the wiring harness. Well, to no avail. It kept happening. So then I thought, well, low def pressure, low def quality, all of that, maybe it's the def doser. So I replaced the def doser. It still didn't help it. So just this last weekend, I pulled the outboard DPF filter off and pulled the def doser off, and I installed the def awning, which is what Freightliner recommended for that code. So then yesterday I got rolling down the road. I still had my engine light on. I got rolling down the road, and the engine light went off, and it was off for about 100 miles. And then that hollow engine light, the one that doesn't say check in the middle of it, it's just an orange light. It came back on, and through the code 4364, and fail 18, and I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's going to go back, if it's going to take a little while for it to get all that def that's built up in there or what. But that def awning, supposedly what that does is the problem that these things have is the exhaust gases coming out of the DPF filter push the DEF down to the bottom of the one box, to the bottom of the SRC when they when it doses, and then it doesn't mix correctly with the exhaust gases to do its chemical reaction thing, and so you don't get the good NOx conversion. So we'll see what happens. I'll keep you updated. I'm down here in Laredo right now. I'm gonna pick up and go to Tulsa, Oklahoma, so that's a good run to test things out. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks a lot. This is going to be on a new YouTube channel, so hopefully we can get things going on it. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.